Good morning, guys. Here comes the train. Can you hear it? I live very close to the L, which is the elevated train system in Chicago, public transit system. A lot of people do, a lot of apartment buildings butt up right against it. So yeah, I hear that a lot. It runs almost all through the night, but it has never woken me up in the night. It's kind of just like white noise now. Today's just a normal day for me. I'll film what bits I can because that's what vlogging is and that's what I want to do more of. Yeah, I'm having a slow morning, and by morning I mean it's 1 p.m., but I'm a bartender, so I usually get to sleep a little bit later, especially when I'm working. Yeah, right now I'm just reading and I'm gonna have some tea and we'll see what I do after that. Cool. Thanks for being here. So I only have a few hours before I start work. I've been meaning to make a run to Target to get paper towels and dish soap. And I'd also really like a bread product for my breakfast / lunch today. So I think when I finish my tea, I'm gonna make a little Target run. If you've watched any of my other videos, you might have seen that this book has been on my list for a long time and I'm really enjoying it. I'm so glad I'm finally reading it. So yeah, it's amazing. Okay guys, oh let's see, that lighting's kind of whack, there we go. Okay guys, change of plans, here comes the train. We'll let her have her moment. Instead of going to Target and getting practical things, I'm going to walk directly east to see the lake. I am very close to Lake Michigan here in Chicago, and I saw parts of it out of the window of a taxi I was in, and they were frozen. Like parts of the lake were frozen. So I've been wanting to investigate that since. I have an hour and 15 minutes before I need to be back here getting ready for work and then leaving for work. So I'm gonna walk over there. It's about a 20-minute walk. On the way, there's this really cute coffee shop, so I'm going to grab probably a turmeric chai latte, which they have there, it's delicious, and maybe a bagel or something. And then I'm going to check out the lake, bring you along with, see if there's some ice, and then come back, get ready for work. That's the plan. So we're getting dressed in warm layers because, check it out. But if that wasn't frightening enough, note the feels like 7 degrees. For my friends using Celsius, and feels like, okay. So let's get some layers on and get outside. Change of lighting. So I'm getting used to wearing, like long johns essentially. I have a long sleeve that goes under, but I need to do laundry so that I can free that up. I'm also kind of thinking about the layers I'm gonna wear under my work clothes, so when I get home I can just strip off my casual outfit and put on my work outfit. You can never really tell how cold it's gonna be until you get outside. So a few times I've been over layered, but usually it's just right, or I wish I had more. So we're gonna be extra overly precautious. I'm gonna wear my snow boots. There's no snow right now, not on the sidewalks, but they're very warm and cozy. Big puffy coat comes last, and a scarf, of course. Okay, I'm gonna put on these layers and then quickly get out the door because I will start sweating. So yeah, let's go on an adventure. Okay guys, fit check. Yeah. This is the outfit we're rocking. I had to take off one of my gloves to operate the camera, so this hand is quickly freezing over. Put on the right amount of clothes. There's a wind chill today, so that gets the cold right in your bones. So I'm gonna turn right up here. I'm walking east towards the lake, but I'm gonna turn right on this street to get to Dollop Coffee, where I've been once before, and I think I mentioned they have the turmeric chai latte that was so good. So we're gonna go over there, see if they still have it, get something yummy, something for breakfast. And then I remembered as I was walking this way on this same street, Montrose, there is an all vegan cafe. If you don't know, I'm vegan, so that's very exciting. It's called Loving Heart, and it's a little pricey. I've actually never been there. I just looked at the menu. But if I have time, I usually, well, lately I haven't been spending money at all out in the world, but today it's my Friday, if you will, and I don't have anything planned for lunch either. So if I have time, I'll go grab something to go from there for my lunch / dinner at work. So, yay! Discoveries! In Chicago, there's a lot of really cool old apartment buildings. The architecture for each of them is different. This is just one, but yeah, there's a lot of cool buildings to see. Guess who forgot to pack extra batteries? This is a telltale sign that I'm a novice vlogger. I was in Dollop Coffee and I got some really cool footage, what I think is really cool, we'll see. And right in the middle of filming it, my camera battery died. So I'm filming this on my phone, and it is now 2:24, so that leaves an hour before I need to be dressed, ready, and heading to the train station to go to work. So I'm thinking I probably only have time to either A, see the lake, or B, grab that vegan food for lunch. And seeing as eating is pretty important, I think I'm gonna choose the vegan food, see the lake another day. But this has been really nice to just get out and walk, get a little exercise and get the crispest and freshest of air just in my system. This will wake you up, I'll tell you that much. This will wake you up. So yeah, I think I will head back down, get some vegan food, and head home, get ready for work. Bye! Alrighty guys, vegan food acquired. Feeling very accomplished. I got a veggie rice bowl of sorts, and now we're heading back home to get ready for work. Well guys, thank you for that really fun, wacky little run around before work. I feel like if I wasn't filming it, I probably wouldn't have pushed myself to do it. And that's the reason that I want to do more vlogs, is to kind of give me the motivation to just go out, even on little adventures, little errands, and do things because I'm alive and I can. I think I'm gonna put another layer on under my work shirt because it is really cold out there today, and the bar I work at is backed up directly against the street, so it gets really cold. Throw on the vest, and this is my work outfit. Tie, vest, wear comfy stretchy pants that look like slacks, but they're not. That's it guys, I'm gonna pull back my hair and get my coat on and then head to the train station and go to work. Thanks for coming along with me on some before work adventures, and I will see you very soon for another Chicago vlog. Hope you're all well, by the way. Stay well, be healthy, and I'll see you soon.